Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's video. It's very special, and guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us. But guys, it's been long, so I'm back again, and it's raining, guys. So since I came from the hospital visiting my grandma, my last video that I did, guys, I feel so sick. So headache here and there, and then that's the reason why, guys, I didn't made my videos. So it's raining right now, and wow, I need to wear the gumboots this particular time, guys, because I'm moving out, you know. As long as when I'm moving out, boom, you know, the dog is making noise. Yeah. Wow, guys, look how the weather looks like. And for my premiere again, you'll get these videos. You flow with the vibe. Mama washing the gel can here. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mama. In case you don't know her, that's my mama. For my new subscriber. And it's raining, guys. Raining, look. So I'm gonna open my dog going outside, you know. Relax, calm down, bro, calm down. You know my dog is very strict. No, bro. You know they need to go out, so I must fight with my dog. Right, guys, this that you see here, this is the maize that remaining here, you know. And also yeah, that's the way of making money, you know. So this one is for for consumption, you know, taking them to the posho mill, grinding them. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, this maize right here, you know, but we cover it. So, and then after that, I think they'll take them to the store. Hey, African mom, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's raining here, and yeah, I'm back, guys. So I want to make these videos, even, guys, I don't know how long it will take, guys, you know. Wow. So at the same time, guys, I want to take you to Border Town. So I have $1 in my pockets. I'm gonna go there and make some shopping, guys. So it's raining, guys, you can see. So I sleep inside my house, and then it's raining, guys. Me just wake up, I said, oh my god, it's raining. And then I realized I left my bike outside, but it's not a big deal, it's not a big thing, you know. Right, guys, make sure that you leave a sweet comment on the comment section, and let me know what you think about on today's videos, you know. So after this, yeah, guys, I'm wiping because of the droplets of the rain, guys, here. So you heard even from other side, it's raining. Wow, raining here and there, you know. Yeah, guys, me, I'm the guy who like cleanness, guys, you know. Yeah. Yep, guys, you know, there's water entering here. I need to do poof. Right, guys. I think, guys, right now it's just okay. And yeah, you know, I love this bike. Okay. Also, that's my grandma home. Also, on other side, that's my great grandma home, of which she was on hospital, and maybe tomorrow or any other time from this week, we want to discharge her from the hospital. So I think right now I should be quick recover. So the only thing is to bring her at home, guys, you know. So guys, on today's videos, I'm gonna take you to Tanzania, and then making some little shopping for my mama. So probably I think I'm gonna go there and buy some tomatoes, guys. Even right now, guys, I didn't feel that much okay. I feel headache, and yeah, that's the reason why you didn't see me on Saturday. On Sunday I didn't upload the videos. So probably today I decide I feel a little bit okay, and then let's shoot these videos, guys, with you. So I hope everybody, you are doing good, and wherever you are, you know, you said, what's happened to Hello Baby? What's happened? What's happened? What's up? You know, I'm back. Yeah. On this side here, this is the Curls plantation. You can see from this side to further end right there, and then to opposite side, that's our small kitchen garden, you know. So guys, I'm thinking how I'm gonna take these balance stones from here, because it's like everywhere. You can see like right here I'm collecting. So I'm trying to look the best option where I can deliver this balance from here to other side. And I want to talk with my engineer, guys, so he can explain me a little bit whether these balance stones are needed or grade number 1, which are very expensive. You know, it goes to closer to $300. But this one here, it's around $140. That's 14,000 Kenyan shillings. So I'm gonna make a call today. You know, that's my dog right there. So I'm gonna make a call today, and I have the full information from him. I mean, guys, sorry, from him. You know, whether this one, when it's this one, I'm gonna add 2 tippers. When it's not this one, I'll look the best option, because grade number 1, we have like this one. Let me say, guys, we have this one, number 2, that, let me see, number two. Okay, guys, let's do this. Number 1. Also, we come to number 2. Yeah, this is number 2, guys. So follow this procedure. This is number 1, small, number 2, and then we have number 3, and then from that, and then from that we have this one. See, guys, it's a bigger difference between these. More expensive, that one, this one is maybe it's range there. This one, it's go to $300. This one goes to $140. The way you see, guys, you know, during last time I bought this one, and then it helped me to construct our toilets, you know, like slab. It's slab, or I don't know, guys. You know, you put the concrete, and then you make it look like an empty field. And then also, like, it used to cover the septic tank on other side. It will help me also to construct that borehole, and then use me on top. At the same time, on my house, all like alongside the house, this one, and then also fixing the tank. You know, it's helped me a lot, and then it's remaining here. What I believe, guys, when you buy material like this, it never go bad or wrong, especially stones, you know. Wow. So guys, I'm shooting these videos, and then I'm heading to border town. So I think I will go and also meet with the Felistas on the way. We're heading to Tanzania. you know. So since we came from we came from Mombasa, we didn't make the video with her. But I think this week I'll try the best to shoot videos with her so she can able to get watching hour, guys. And then I want to advise her to do every Sunday live stream, you know, so to catch up the watching hour. And then you are amazing, guys, you know, showing her some love here and there, right, left, center. So let me go this way. I feel like to eat guavas. Let me go and see whether I can find those guavas, guys. You know. Yeah, my dog just around here. Okay, I think, guys, maybe tomorrow I'll do a video with her, you know. Let's go. Also, these are indigenous trees, at the same time are medicinal, you know. It's treat. If you think, guys, like, oh, my dog fall down, what's up? Calm down. So you can see here, people came with a panga and then like cut it, remove the outer, you know. It's a medicinal. You can see here, right here, down right there. Yeah. Village life. So, guys, at the same time, I'm struggling with some lights because no more lights here. These sunflowers here, you can see, guys. So it was raining, and then we're shooting these videos. These sunflowers. When we were a kid, guys, we used to eat the seeds of the sunflower when it's dry up, you know. And then also it's used to making you do some process and then it produce oil, you know, which added in our veggies, you know. Purely farmers, guys. It tells you if you put more hard working, you wanna do more better. You can see the maize, guys, bigger one. And also he was my friend, guys. He was doing like a joke. Right now he can harvest a lot of bags from here, you know. All right, let's go this way, guys, and then I'll take you that way to some guavas. So actually I'm going to visit one of my friends, and also he was my neighbor. Guys, the video that I made during the party, guys, I saw some positive comment. People said you want to go to the gym, and I need to put aside, like, if I finish shooting the videos with my bike, I'm gonna left my bike at home and then I start walking. Yeah, especially during construction, when it reach the time, I want to start working as a handman, like as volunteer, you know, doing more exercise. When we complete to build our mama house, doing everything, man, I will be more stable. Yeah, to stabilize my body, you know, it's the way of making an exercise, you know. Even right now, guys, I can make an exercise, trust me. I want to make some exercise, but you know, when I shoot the videos and then it take me around, you know, the whole day, and then when I came back home, like, I feel more tired. I take shower and then I sleep. You see, like, my neighbor who I'm going to visit him, look, he didn't put the fertilizer. No maize, you know. Wow. So I don't know whether I can find him or not yet, guys. Let's try, you know, because yesterday he came at my home, you know, he didn't find me, Let me find him, guys. Let me check him. Yeah. Guys, it's all about time to build, and we tried to build Africa, guys, to be a better place, especially in our village here where we came from. We try to build to make our village to be famous. I know most of part of the Africa, they have been built world house. Like, we can't compare Kenya and South Africa, you know, we can't compare. So let me find him. Let me find him. There is somebody here. Let me find him right here, guys, and then I'm going to other side. Wait, Monta. Where is Rioba?
It's not around.
It's not around.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Aya, mutena anichira kapora wiki. Kamba ambia motari ananacha hayuko.
Kwani mimi sio mtu?
No, I want to see Rioba. I want to give shout out to Rioba, and then we talk more. Tamu. Sawa. Tiamboni Nicola mapera hai. Umataya ni chira por. Kana usudu ni peshara. Okay, guys, I didn't find him. Maybe we try it tomorrow. Stamakoko. Guys, this is a cock.
Pure Kenyeji.
Pure Kenyeji.
Yeah.
Are you selling it?
Yeah, I'm selling this one. Yeah.
At how much?
At 1,800. I don't know equivalent to how much?
It's around $18.
That don't you hear? It's heavy. Yeah, very heavy, my friend. Around 6 kg.
Yes.
Yeah? Is it? Don't you see how it's doing? We do weight using this one, local weight. Yeah. It means
you see my valve.
Yes, that's what we mean. This is the weight. Local weight.
Yeah, guys, like we bargain.
Yeah.
We do a local way, bargaining.
$18.
Yeah.
My friend.
Kenyeji is good. No. Pure Kenyeji, no chemical.
No chemical here.
No chemical.
No chemical.
Yeah.
How much do you have, my friend?
Guys, you know Kenyeji? Yeah, it's like our local hens.
Tell them, explain them.
You know?
Kenyeji.
And also improved one, like we treat them by using some chemicals, you know. But this one here, you throw away, like then it's gone.
You just leave it alone. It found food itself, my friend. It eats also like China's food, like snakes, snails, everything. Have you seen? And it's heavy now, around 6 kg, my friend.
This one when you eat with skuma. Tauni
This is a farmer, man. This is a farmer, Koshma.
Yeah, Koshma.
Yeah. I'm doing farming with pure Kenyeji and skuma. So many vegetables. Intorno ni gari temo imbiri uniano ndanyo igai well.
No chengu jampura rale amasukuma.
Tarali arina behave well. Arina behave vizuri sana.
Okay guys, let's go. This is a napier grass here. you know. At least right now, guys, I have good vibe.
Yeah, this is the cock. It's complaining that, oh, are you going to slaughter me or what are you going
And then
to
the good thing about local hens,
Yes.
when we don't have a watch or a stopwatch, we can use this animal here.
Because
When they do like, you know it's time. What's time? When? So can you deny?
yeah, this is
As it inside the chair,
nimeacha jogo ingine. Kuna ingine tena. This is another brand. So I bring another brand from another village.
Let me tell you, when you have 100 cock like this, you have 100k Kenyan shillings. You have almost 900 USD dollar. When you have 100 this cock, this type, you are rich. Me when I have my own compound like this, I'm trying to keep my own chicken.
You'll try to keep your own kitchen.
Chicken!
Or not kitchen.
Not kitchen, you
Yeah,
know,
okay, guys.
kitchen and chicken.
There's two different words.
Two different, but a similar word.
Okay. Kitchen and chicken. Say
Sorry.
hi to those guys and tell them this is a farmer by the name Koshman.
Koshman.
Yeah, African man.
Yeah.
Is a similar to Burkina Faso president.
Samuel Toroy.
Imagine Toro is a very young man, 37 years old. And I'm 43. Don't you see that it's because of poverty, man. That's why we are getting old.
Poverty is everywhere.
Poverty is everywhere, but it's then around.
Kids are coming from school, I hear.
Yeah, okay. Hi, guys.
Dindo! Dindo.
Indomie.
Okay.
Hey, this is the man who is the
Yes, I was looking this guy and then I didn't find him.
Now,
Follow and that's what yeah. Look, my friend. It's a kahika quick. Iga.
Umesikia? 7 kg ama? Sema.
Nikukuja. Para kuvuka ni njia.
Ile kenye umekula ndio yako. Sasa kama ni donda unakufa.
Bibigeno. Tarusi mi omake no. Maeno tera design wego he. Mango sare mora hata peni.
Ungeacha ikae hivyo vile ilivyo.
Ili mchina alitengeneza hivyo. Sasa ukidesign madiko.
Huyu ni Muhindi sio Mchina.
Itakuja ni uunde mura.
Huyu ni Muhindi. Unajua TVS ni Muhindi.
Say hello. Me I was visiting you and then you're not there. I found your wife and then I said boom.
Oh, you
Hello
guys, welcome and welcome back to Hello Baby official YouTube channel. Yeah, I meet here Hello Baby. He told me that he's coming from my home ground.
Yes, I found your wife and then he was not around there. And then
I was
said,
going in advance to take something there.
Okay.
So
maybe we do it tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Or maybe on Wednesday.
On Wednesday?
Yes.
Okay, I will be there.
Okay.
So,
yeah, good luck, bro. Wish you good luck. Right, so at the same time, guys, I'm making exercise here.
You are making an exercise, huh?
Yes. If I have mine, I could buy this cock.
Why don't you tell guys to buy for you this cock?
Because it's meant for meat, and then we start enjoying the day.
This is a good brand, my friend. I'm Chef Kosh.
Chef Kosh.
Yeah, man.
Cooking
local food. When you come to Africa,
yeah.
Remember I told you that
Samuel Toroy. Ibrahim Toroy is not Samuel Toroy.
Ibrahim Toroy
from Burkina Faso
is my best friend.
Yeah.
A very young president in Africa.
Yeah.
That's our key.
Yeah.
We appreciate him as Gen Z.
And then it shows our leader in Kenya.
Hi, Gen
like
Z.
they must wake up.
Yeah, that's why we love him. We love him. We like change. In Africa, we need change also.
Yeah, we need
My
change,
brother,
guys.
my brother
Imagine,
Ibrahim.
guys, for our entire village, no electricity. And I'm telling you, if he could, Ibrahim Traore, man, we could have electricity in our village here. But if one of our leaders watching these videos, they must learn from Ibrahim Traore what he did in Burkina Faso.
Paying debt in one term. That would never happen. Even Trump will wonder about the man, the very young man.
Okay.
Okay. Have a nice time, bro.
Okay.
Meet you.
Okay, next time. Oh, guys. Let's go. No. Walking with my gumboot here. Mnaenda wapi na hii?
Kusaga.
Ah, sijana murisiaga. Ama mnaenda kuuza?
Tunaenda kusaga.
Ah, yeah. That's maize, guys. They wanna take them to the posho mill and then getting flat. Alright, guys. I think like I'm struggling with lights. You know, that much like enough sunlight. You know. So let's go. Guys, I'm thinking how I'm gonna push the wheelbarrow from down here, from down the river. Let me go and check, guys. Because at this moment, when we finish water from the tank, struggling come to this side here, guys. Watch out, you know. And then we push the wheelbarrow. Pushing and pull up, down, up and down. But what I believe, African men, we're so strong. I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you. You wait, guys. You will see me making some exercise during my mom's dream house. You wanna see me, guys, like, you know, doing works like crazy. Yeah. So struggling come to an end. You know. But guys, there's a day I went to Migori, I negotiated with the guy, and then they're supposed to come at home, checking how we construct the bohar from the ground, especially putting the carabat. Like we construct, and then he told me you want to have around 8 bags of cement, sand, balance stones, and then also what we call, guys, waterproof. I said, okay, we have right now sand, balance stones. What I'm missing, it's 8 bags of cement and also labor money. You will see, guys. I'm waiting him when he arrived. I will make our videos. Guys, right now what is purely clean. You can see, guys. Purely clean. I think even right now, guys, we have chlorine here. Yeah, there is chlorine. When we put like 1 drop, man, it's already, yeah. Right now, guys, water is purely clean. But when you see on camera, you think maybe what is that? Man, I'm observed by using my eyes, guys. It's purely clean right now. So when we finish water from the tank, the struggle come to the river, fetching from here, taking back home. You know, wow. So this is a ditch or a trench, I don't know. Can see what is running. Then go that way up to other side. Let's go back home. Yep. So guys, on my pockets I have I think I have $1, $1 to $2. So I'm running to Tanzania, making shopping there, because when it's cheaper in Tanzania, we normally buy some things there. But right now, guys, rice are very expensive, very expensive. You know, I was buying some kgs, some bags of kgs, I think 50 bags of kg at around $60. But right now, guys, it goes to up to around $8,000, $80, at the range of $20 on top. So it tells you, no jokes. Wow. So I think this week, by God's grace, I will have one road for the sand because I need to gather more materials. We have the best option of cleaning the gumboot. Let's go. Going back home, I picked the jacket and then look, the section that we have here. Imagine this, also that one here, and we have some small kids. You know. Let's see. Mr. Michael.
Yes.
Vipi?
Safi.
Uko poa?
Ofiti.
Huku ya.
Sawa ni kidogo.
Okay. Guys, if you remember this guy, he was the one who did my veranda alongside my house.
Yeah.
Good mason.
Safi.
Okay, wish you good journey, bro. Safe travel. Yeah. When I was having the goats, guys, like I think I was having around 6 goats. I was grazing inside here, the bush, before YouTube, guys, and then I didn't know about YouTube. You know, I was flowing with vibe. And by the way, guys, I was a good businessman. You know, keeping goats, gain fun, rabbits, also at the same time working as a handman. Even the mountain bicycle that you see, I have it. It's my purely hard working. And then it shows you, if you are young and then you have a dream to buy a mountain bike or a bicycle, also for the next maybe step, you want to have a motorbike. The next step, you want to have a car. But those all stuff are not investment. You know, at my age, I need to build home for the young generation, and also after that to invest. You know, yeah. I know everybody needs to enjoy life, but you can't enjoy life with no money. So you're gonna have some money, and then you enjoy, you know, the life. If I could have enough money, man, I could stay Mombasa. I spent the whole month, but because of money, I suppose like to spend 1 week, I ran out coming back to the village, and then I have vision to build in Africa. All right, let's go. No, let's go. Let's go. Wow. You know, when I'm around at home here, I pass like random place. When I go that way, I'll go back home. Let's go. Yeah. I'm passing inside here. So, I'm telling you, this is a simple life in our village here. Yep. Okay, guys. Oh my God. Let's go. These are napier grass here. So back here, there's a small road here. It's because when people buy the land here, and then everybody cover the space. You know? Cover the space. Wow. We want to buy the land, guys, for upcoming generation, you know. Maybe somebody buying a land, and then the year that are coming, maybe 10 years or 30 years, young generation, they want to use that land, you know. Yeah, I see the beautiful flowers, guys, right here. You can see. Let's go. You see, all of this that you see here, that is the maize corn within here. You see, even here, that's the maize corn, guys. Yeah, let's go. This place are good for grazing, like one cow. Wow. Yeah. Let me check our cows, guys. They're grazing here, you know. Sometimes, guys, I feel so good to show people green natures everywhere, you know, and all stuff, you know. Yeah. Right now it's raining. The car grazing here. You can see, guys. Look at that. They're grazing there. Yeah, I love this cow because it has a good color, and then it produces a lot of milk. That one here. But this one here, I don't know problem. What's the problem of this cow? It doesn't produce a lot of milk. Maybe I will buy the stone salt. You know. Yeah. Also, you have another one here, purely grazing. Yes, guys. I love animals, guys, you know. Okay, guys. We have another one here. So, guys, right here I've been shown some signs of harvesting the maize. So I'm giving them, like, let me say 1 month ahead, and then when he finish doing what, guys, harvesting, I'm gonna start cutting these trees, you know, down, splitting timbers, removing the logs, and then start removing this soil, push it back on other side, you know, and then levelizing, you know. Let me tell you, guys, the level of this place and this one are top, this one are deeper, so we need to come with this level right here, so we can see from this further end here, like this old soil up here, we need to push it back and then back, you know. When it reaches the size of the house, probably we take the measurement and then we push it back, you know, we push it to the other side, and then we'll use this sand or soil to make bricks for the next purposes. So, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next videos when I'm going to Bordertown, and then I'm going to meet with Felistas heading to Tanzania for the shopping, showing her how the local market looks like in Tanzania. Me, I have been there several times because right now I'm supposed to make a little shopping for my mom, especially maybe what's missing inside the house, it's onions. Not onions, tomatoes, guys. So we need to go there because we plant onions, we plant kales. So I'm gonna go there to buy tomatoes, guys. So stay tuned, you know. Alright guys, I'm heading border town, and I'm going to meet with Felicitas on the way. Wow. And then I take you to the shopping, guys, in Tanzania. So that being said earlier, you know. So let's go. That person. Come, you say hello.
Hello guys, hello my beautiful people. Welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. My name is Felicitas. Yeah.
Okay guys, that being said, I'm going to meet with Felicitas, and then I took her in Tanzania for the first time, and we're gonna make some little shopping. Some little shopping here and there. So get in the motorbike and there we go. Yeah, that's Felicitas. Right, so let's go guys. But for me guys, it was not my very first time. I was been there making shopping here and there, you know. So let's go. You good?
Yes, sir.
How was your channel?
It's fine.
It's fine. Yeah guys, right now I'm trying like to do with him or to do with her a lot of videos, so she can able to hit 4,000 watching hour, guys.
Yes.
We're fighting for the watching hour, especially for Felicitas.
Yes.
You know, but for me guys, yeah, I'm just like, I'm okay on my side, you know. Right. Let's move. Wow guys, I miss this road. Passing here, I miss this road so much. See stagnant water right here. Oh. Yeah. Kids are going back home, guys. It's evening time. You wanna see them? Right. Let's go. You know what, Felicitas? I was feeling headache since 3 days. I think my last video that I shoot during the party, you know, and then I feel headache from that day up to now. And then I say, okay, today I'm gonna make a little bit some short videos, and then I upload, you know.
But this guy will not run.
Yes, you just keep pushing, put more videos, and then you will be successful, you know. Yeah, and then what I believe in this world, every human being, you wanna pass so many challenges here and there. Yeah. But challenges everywhere, you know. Like for me right now, I had a lot of challenges in terms of building my dream house. Like I need to buy materials here and there, you know. And then people from my village talk shit, you know. Yeah, where I come from, people talk shit, but I mean no time with them, no time with the haters, you know. Yeah, I don't want to put all my energy to the haters. See kids, say hello. Hello. Yes, yeah, that's kids. It's evening time. Look like this, looking like Camisole. Yeah. And guys, I hate to pass here, but it's a shortcut going to border town. Guys, something died off there. Oh my god. Yeah. So since we came from Mombasa, I need to make you do some, let me say around 5 videos, so to see whether you can qualify hitting watching now. You know.
Yeah, but from there you are from Mombasa, you have not yet.
The fans. Yes, we'll do it. No pressure. We'll do it. So these are traffic officers here. They're gonna look like this one. We'll do it, you know. Right. Border town. You know. Yeah, bro, you just pass. Road is bigger. You see, kids are going back home. It's evening time, evening vibe, you know. Wow. And I see the cow crossing the road right here. Oh my God. You wanna see them? That's cow. See? Alright guys, let's go. Border town. And then just cross the border town with no passport, you know. Yeah. Whoa. And then guys, when we are on other side in Tanzania, we'll make videos. That's Tanzanian trailer right here. Let's see. Right. Business is everywhere, you know. You're gonna push it to the end. Yeah. Right now guys, the road is full of congested here. Huh? Wow. So I'm gonna put the gas here and then we go. We're ready to go. You know, cut it here. This big power shed here. This big power shed. Alright guys, we are crossing to other side in Tanzania, you know. So right now we are in border town, and then from that we cross the border. That people are drunk, you know. Yeah. Pole mitoto. Wow. There's border town for you guys. And in case you're new here, you don't know where I am right now, I'm in border town. Came to make shopping here. You can see that police truck right there. Ooh, business everywhere, guys. One day I'll become a businessman. Let's see this side here. Wow. I'm gonna push it, you know. Push myself. Hit my target, guys. Look at this side here. Building, you know. go. Wow. This Tanzanian bike right here. Right here. Let's go. See some students. Gonna move it. Right. This cargo bring my camera right here. Wow. Okay. Crossing to Tanzania, guys. Not a big deal. You know? Not a big deal. Guys, welcome to Tanzania. We crossed the border easily. No movement. Serengeti Towers. Let's go. Boom. Ano nga ambele boom. Magane bumps and then Nebukong. Right. Tanzanian vibe. Oh my God. Hey, hey. God forgive me. I see somebody with disability sleeping on the wheelchair. God forgive me. Yeah, guys, that's how Tanzanian looks like. You can see this is a club right here because we had heavy music. Yes, this one heading to Dar es Salaam, Kisire. Right, let's move. Old fashioned bicycle, you know. Guys, what I hate for my entire life, it's maybe like town vibe. We have a lot of music. Right, left, center. So heading this way, guys. Santa kunwa nani? Maone sabu miera.
Ni miera tu. Waambia iko ya Kenya na Tanzania. Tunauza samaki. Si hiyo hapo unaiona.
Sisi tunachanga samaki.
Ndio hiyo.
Gani?
Hii Kenya man, Tanzania man.
Ziko
si ndio hiyo?
Gani zina uzito?
Uzito hii ni sawa na dola.
Unajua ni dola ngapi?
Hii ni kama dola
8.
Hii ni dola
2500 kila dola.
Dola 5. Dola 10.
Dola 10.
Dola 10.
2200. Ninawa siku 8500. Alafu hao liko sawa. Alafu leo hawa watakufanyia 11.
Sasa hichi ya nyanko kwa.
Chukua hizi za 12 nitakufanyia 11.
Anaona 12 mwaka yako. Ndaro ni mwenende. Tayari ndio nyanya hapa.
Leta pesa fulani basi kunje.
Tayangu ramandi. Pesa cha bora. Utanihesabia nyanya? Usinikate nunguri kama mboga ya funda. Na hizi? Na chio hai? Hesabu hapo tu zenye unahesabu.
Maana nakuchagulia sasa hizi.
Ndio hizo unachagua. Ilikuacha nyuma. Ilikuacha nyuma.
Nilikuwa naongea na rafiki yangu.
Nani?
Oh no.
Sasa ni hapa tena.
Zanga.
Eti hapa ni 50.
Unataka kuniuliza ngapi sasa?
Wewe mrabano fresh zipo bana.
Zanga.
Hizo ni ngapi?
Aya niambie nataka za ngapi sasa nikushikie.
Tora cha 50 wanza toma.
Cha 50. Basi kwa kini 50 manyita kule hivi.
Kane gani?
Chenchi isikije.
Chio ngapi?
50 hapo.
Hapo 50.
Yeah.
Niongeze sasa.
Zamia tu.
Zitaenda kuharibika, ni heri ninunue kidogo kidogo.
Hapo fresh kabisa, uturi kabisa mwangia sasa hivi.
Hivi sasa.
Madam Bona juzi meisha pale tukasema antire leo angekuwa
Sio nimekuja.
Na nini nyingine, kuna jinja, kuna msuri iko.
Atika namba ndogo.
Mchero upo. Go back to Kenya, guys. You know, at least I make a shopping for $2. Then I take to my mama, guys. You know, I love my mom so much because she take care of me. You know. Wow. Let's go. We'll take a U-turn this way. All right. Let's go. Okay, let's go, guys. Sorry for the noise of the music. That's the challenge that I'm passing, guys. You know. Wagwan. Big up. Whoa. Right. Alright guys, I need to pause my camera right now here. Alright guys, I'm back home and also I'm gonna see who are inside here. So probably when my mama came to cook this, I think even I buy more veggies, guys. You know, these are just mellow right here. My brother, you good? How was your school?
It was fantastic.
Yeah. No, you have been outside. I don't have something for you. Sorry. Yeah, I don't have something for you. Maybe you eat at night. Calm down. Yeah, calm down. Yeah. So where is my mama?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm waiting mom. Like I think mama she was inside, but I asked my brother. He don't know. Let me stay calm, guys. My mom will be around here, and then I handle, guys. You know. So that's my brother's house. That's my house. That's how it looks like. You see, like shagala bagala. Mom, my mama, she's back. So this is your shopping, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes. Hey, Dubai shopping. Guys, I can't wait to travel to Dubai maybe one day. You good? Okay, guys, that's my mama. And I want to end my video by saying thank you so much. May God bless you. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Bye.